Ensuring your Mailchimp email is mobile-friendly is crucial for effective communication, as many recipients check their emails on mobile devices. Here's how to make your Mailchimp email mobile-friendly. Use responsive templates. Start with Mailchimp's pre-designed responsive templates, which automatically adjust to different screen sizes. Optimize images. Resize images to fit mobile screens and ensure they load quickly. Use the image content block to adjust the size and alignment. Avoid large files that can slow down email loading. Keep layout simple. Use a single column layout to ensure content stacks vertically on mobile devices. This prevents horizontal scrolling and improves readability. Adjust font sizes. Set font sizes to at least 14 pixels for body text and 22 pixels for headlines to ensure they are legible on small screens. Use Mailchimp's text editor to adjust sizes. Use large clickable buttons. Make buttons large enough for easy tapping. Ensure there's enough panning around buttons to avoid accidental clicks. Test your email. Use Mailchimp's preview and test features to check how your email looks on various devices. Send test emails to yourself and view them on different screen sizes. Avoid small text and links. Ensure that text is large enough to read without zooming and that links are easily clickable.